system, how their gene expression regulated. Gene expression is DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein synthesis. The total procedure is regulated in case of prokaryotes by operon system. So the operons are found only in the prokaryotes. We have learned about what is operon. Some genes they are necessarily present in always prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Two types से पाया जावे. So they are constitutive genes. So remember this who is the constitutive genes, the examples, who is housekeeping genes. These genes are constant genes, always needed. Facultative genes, not always needed. Needed only when it receives the signals from its surroundings. And inducible genes, they are inducible genes. They are induced by some inducer. Who is this inducer? Lactose. Example of inducer can be lactose or tryptophan. So we have studied what is operon. It is a segment of DNA. It has a promoter region, an operator region, and some structural genes. This is the structure of lac operon. It has promoter. Promoter is the site or initiation site for mRNA synthesis or gene expression. Operator where repressor binds. মনে রাখবি যে অপারেটরে অলওয়েজ রিপ্রেসার বাইন্ড করে এসে repressor protein is coded by a gene LAC1 in case of lac operon. See, there are many genes present. This one, regulated gene. So regulated gene, in case of this regulated gene for LAC1, that is regulated gene is LAC1. So LAC1 codes for repressor protein, and repressor protein comes to bind with the operator site. When it is bound to the operator site, the replication, the transcription blocks because mRNA cannot travel to 5' to 3' direction towards the structural genes. So these genes cannot be transcribed and translated. These genes products are three genes. In case of lacoperon, we have studied LAC-Z encodes for beta-galactosidase. So beta-galactosidase expression stops. LAC-Y codes for galactosidase permease. It stops. LAC-A encodes trans-acetylase. These expressions, these are proteins, these are enzymes. This enzyme synthesis stops when repressor binds to the operator site. Here. But when this is the absence of lactose. In presence of lactose, what happens? Repressor, the lactose is attached with the repressor molecule, and the structural change occurs. So repressor cannot bind to the operator. Then only RNA polymerase can travel to 5' to 3' direction and encode for those proteins. So this is the scenario of lac operon. Another kind of operon system is present in case of prokaryotes, and this operon এটা কিন্তু একটা only simple ভাবলি সেটা what is this operon মানে this is a part of the DNA, part of prokaryotic DNA. Prokaryotic DNA is double stranded circular DNA they have, and operon is a part of their DNA. There is another kind of operon that is called trip operon or tryptophan operon. Let's see. If you see the videos, it will be easy to understand. যারা ভিডিও দেখেনি, see the videos after the class. So trip operon. It is tryptophan operon. So lactose operon, in case of lac operon, lactose is a disaccharide and tryptophan is an amino acid. So remember this. Tryptophan operon contains 5 structural genes. Lac operon কটা ছিল? 3. There are 3 structural genes Z, Y, A. In case of tryptophan, there are 5 structural genes. দেখো এগুলো E, D, trip E, trip D, trip C, trip B, and trip A. These are the structural genes for trip operon. So এইগুলোই মনে রাখার because MCQ type of questions will come. So remember how much genes are present in case of lac operon, in case of trip operon, the names. And these genes encoding enzymes for tryptophan biosynthesis with a trip promoter and trip operator. Operon has promoter operator common. The operon is regulated such that transcription occurs when tryptophan is in the cell in short supply. So this is like opposite of lac operon, opposite mechanism of lac operon. In case of lac operon, when lactose is missing in the cell, that time only the transcription blocks. In case when the lactose is present inside the cell, the transcription occurs. In case of here for trip operon, when lactose is missing or depletion, there is a depletion of tryptophan inside the cell. This mechanism only occurs, or the transcription only occurs in absence of the tryptophan. When tryptophan level is much more in the cell, the transcription blocks. So how it works? Let's see. So এখানে বলেছি in absence in presence. আচ্ছা একবার রিডিং এ পড়া যাক। In absence of tryptophan, a regulated gene encoded a trip repressor protein and forms a dimer. See, in absence of tryptophan, when the tryptophan is absent, a regulated gene what কোনটা? That it's coding the repressor molecule, and the repressor molecule always bind to the operator site. It forms a dimer, the repressor forms a dimer. In case of lac operon কোনো dimer টাইমার তৈরি করে না, একটাই molecule গিয়ে bind করে. In case of trip operon, the repressor molecule makes a dimer. Dimer means দুটো molecule জোড়া লাগে, two units join together and make dimer, two monomer units. However, this is inactive and so is unable to bind to the trip operator. But in case this dimer is inactive, this repressor তো encode করলো, but this repressor is inactive. It cannot bind. কোনো জিনিসই জানবি যে before binding or before performing some uh, mechanism, it should be activated with for some by some enzymes, by some molecules. It should be activated. So how it is activated? Structural genes of the trip operon are transcribed. So এটা bind করতে পারছে না with the operator site. I wrote clear. RNA polymerase can travel to 5' to 3' direction, and these genes can code for proteins. But এই জিনিসগুলো particular protein code করে, so these genes can encode for particular proteins. Transcription occurs in the absence of tryptophan. একদম উল্টো lac operon. Then biosynthesis of tryptophan occurred in the cell. These enzymes are needed for biosynthesis of tryptophan because absence of tryptophan নেই, so tryptophan needed. These enzymes will encode for tryptophan. In the presence of tryptophan, what happens in the presence of tryptophan? Again, tryptophan binding the repressor. Again, this regulated gene will make repressor protein, the inactive dimer. That inactive state of dimer is activated by tryptophan. Tryptophan binding to repressor to activate it. In case of this, tryptophan is activating. In case of lac operon, lactose is inactivating or repressing. Repressor now binds to the operator and stops transcription of the structural genes. These repressor molecules, along with the tryptophan, binds with the operator and blocks this route. Then what happens? RNA polymerase cannot move this site. Tryptophan repressor now binds to the operator and stops transcription of the structural genes. Tryptophan biosynthesis are not occurred in the cell. কি করে হবে? ট্রান্সক্রিপশনই হচ্ছে না। So like opposite of lac operon, একটা মনে রাখ operon, তার অপোজিটটা হচ্ছে আরেকটা trip operon. So let's see. Trip TRP means short version of tryptophan. The genes of the trip operon are used to make the amino acid tryptophan. The genes, এই জিনিসগুলো trip E, trip G, trip C, trip B, and trip A. 5 structural genes are there. It is turned off when enough tryptophan is in the cell. Tryptophan is the effector molecule. When enough tryptophan is there, why more to produce? ভিডিওটা দেখবি ভালো করে, কেন প্রডিউস করবে আর there is enough tryptophan is in the cell. So negatively feedback হচ্ছে, negative feedback যাচ্ছে, so অনেক বেশি যখন থাকবে, there when there is much more tryptophan inside the cell, no need for transcription, so transcription blocks in presence of tryptophan. When tryptophan level depletion or decrease করে, then only the transcription occurs, because there is no enough tryptophan to bind with the repressor molecule, and repressor cannot bind to the, that is inactivate state of repressor without tryptophan binding to it, so it cannot bind to the operator and transcription occurs. Operand codes for 5 genes found in E. coli. E. coli is a bacteria. The model দেখানো হয়েছে in the E. coli it is present. 5 polypeptides combine to make 3 enzymes. Each enzyme participates in a step to make tryptophan. These 5 structural genes encode for 3 enzymes. So this is the basic structure of tripoperon. It has a promoter site, P for promoter, O for operator. Also has a leader and attenuator sequence. এত details লাগবে না, just promoter and operator এই দুটো থাকে অপারেটরের সাথে. Then there are 5 structural genes E, D, C, B, A, and there is a repressor protein encoded by regulated gene. This repressor protein, it has a site, দেখো এরকম একটা site থাকে. But 2 sites are there in the lac operon I have told. One is the molecule inducer binding site. এখানে inducerটাকে tryptophan, co-repressor, it is repressing. Co-repressor, this is in case of this, it is repressor. In case of lac operon, that is inducer. So it will bind to the tryptophan. There is another site for binding with the operator binding site. So there are 2 sites present in the repressor molecule. What happened? Regulation of tripoperon. In presence of tryptophan, what happened? Tryptophan bind with inactivate repressor protein. Tryptophan এরকম block আছে, will bind with this repressor protein and make it activate. এটা একা কিন্তু inactivate থাকে. In case of tripoperon, active repressor protein binds with operator. When it is activated, it will bind to the operator site. Conformational change will occur, and this site will now bind with the operator site. এরকম একটা সাইটে যেরকমভাবে conformational change হয়ে যায়, like this. Inhibit function of RNA polymerase. When repressor will bind to the operator, the road blockage occurs. RNA polymerase is present inside here, present in here, in the promoter site. It cannot travel to 5' to 3' direction. See, 5' to 3' direction, it cannot move because repressor molecule will block the road. No tryptophan synthesis in bacterial cell. Tryptophan তৈরি হবে না. In presence of tryptophan, যখন enough tryptophan is there inside the cell, no tryptophan synthesis will occur. Then the next, when tryptophan, in the absence of tryptophan, এটা presence ছিল, this is the absence of tryptophan. What happened? Repressor gets expressed in an inactive form. আবার inactive form হবে, একা inactive. When the cell senses a depletion of tryptophan নেই, who will bind to the repressor molecule? কে bind করবে না, inactive state থেকে যাবে the repressor molecule. Tripoperon gets activated and genes therein gets expressed. Operand activate হচ্ছে, not the repressor, because the repressor molecule is in inactive state. There is no tryptophan molecule is present inside the cell to bind with the repressor molecule. It cannot bind to the operator site. Road is clear. Now the RNA polymerase can travel to 5' to 3' direction and express these genes. These genes are E, D, C, B, and A. These genes will now express. Gene express হলে কি হবে? Transcription and translation occurs. So, and কোন gene কি code করে? There are no need, মানে অত detail লাগবে না. There is 3 enzyme, 5 genes are there, but these two genes encode an enzyme. এটা একটা encode করে, and B and A encode another enzyme. So there are 3 enzymes that encoded by these 5 structural genes, and they synthesize the tryptophan amino acid in the cell. Okay, so অত ডিটেল লাগবে না, অতদের ব্রড কোয়েশ্চেন আসবে না, এমসিকিউ টাইপস। সো রিমেম্বার দ্য মেন ফাংশনস। Who is needed? Who is the inducer? In case of lac operon, in case of trip operon, it is repressor, repressing the tryptophan. And lac operon এর opposite হচ্ছে trip operon. And lac operon has 3 genes, ZYA. This structure এখান থেকে যদি বুঝতে প্রবলেম হয়, if books PDF version is not easy, you can read from here. See the structure from here. This is the structure of lac operon, 3 genes. Promoter operator, these are constant for operon. And 3 genes in case of lac operon. Repressor হচ্ছে, repressor is not a structure of lac operon, but it is a lac system, মানে operon system এর part. Repressor encoded by lac1 gene, regulated gene. In case of lac operon, that is lac1 gene. And lactose, in case of here, that is inducer. এখানে কি হচ্ছে, in absence of lactose, the the transcription will not occur. Absence of lactose, no transcription, because এটা গিয়ে bind করে বসে আছে এখানে repressor. In presence of lactose, lactose is bound to the repressor molecule, and conformational change occurs. It cannot bind to the operator, so transcription occurs. So এরকম question আসতে পারে, suppose this is in presence of lactose, the transcription occurs. In case of lac operon, so yes, transcription occurs. And in presence of tryptophan, is transcription occurs? No transcription occurs, because in presence of tryptophan operon বেশি tryptophan থাকলে no transcription occurs. Negatively regulated, এটা যত tryptophan মানে এরকম থাকবে, like hormonal regulation, যে একটা হরমোন বেড়ে গেলে আরেকটা হরমোনকে ইনহিবিট করে, নেগেটিভ ফিডব্যাক, like that. So tryptophan বেড়ে গেছে সেলে, tryptophan is much more in the cell, so it will negatively regulate the transcription. It will bind to the, মানে tryptophan অনেক বেড়ে গেলে it will bind to the repressor. এই যে this picture, it will bind to the repressor and then activate it, because একা এখানে repressor inactive. Tryptophan binding repressor is active, it can bind to the operator. Operator bind করলে no transcription. Just মনে রাখ কখন কোন operon repressor bind করছে operator-এর সাথে. So it is bind to the operator, no transcription occurs, because RNA polymerase cannot move towards this side. আর যখন absence of tryptophan, then absence মানে কি, no tryptophan, repressor inactive, it cannot bind to the operator, then transcription occurs. Okay, বেশি লাগবে না এটাতে, like this. Okay, any questions? Today will not start this because একটুখানি different আছে. In the next class we'll start gene expression in eukaryotes. এখন অবধি prokaryotes we have studied. Gene expression in eukaryotes is little different. They are much more complex organisms, so their gene expression is much more complicated than prokaryotes. Prokaryotes have only one cell, single cellular, so their gene expression is limited to their only one cell. But eukaryotes are multicellular, mostly they are multicellular, so their gene expression is regulated in many ways: epigenetic level, transcriptional level, post-transcriptional level, then translational level, post-translational level. মানে এখানে কি হয় বলতো, for in case of eukaryotes, transcription এর পরও some modification will occur, that is post-transcriptional modification. You have studied 3 modification occurs after transcription of eukaryotes, that is 5' capping, splicing or intrasplicing, and 3' polyadenylation. This modification occurs after transcription. After mRNA synthesis, that is immature type of mRNA, that will go some modification to make that mature form. This is matured mRNA without any introns. Only the coding regions or the coding genes are present, exons are present, and 5' and 3' ক্যাপে এই মডিফিকেশনগুলো হয়। ক্যাপিং, 5-methyl guanosine and polyadenyl addition. So এইভাবেও রেগুলেশন হয় in case of eukaryotes. Then after translation, post-translational modification occurs. Protein goes some modification. So এই টাইপের হয়। So we'll read in the next class. ঠিক আছে, হয়ে যাবে। আজ ওপরেনের সাথে গোলাচ্ছি না because you will be confused. So tell me any question? Whole operon system. And remember this, who discovered operon system? Two scientists, Jacob and Monod, in 1961. They proposed a operon model for the regulation of transcription in prokaryotes. Remember, only operon is present in for prokaryotes, not for eukaryotes. So কি questions আসতে পারে এখান থেকে বলে দিলাম। Then we'll have some exams before the semester after syllabus finishes. অনেক ক্লাস আছে তোদের, একটা ক্লাসে নিয়ে নেব। So we'll give the 2 marks questions. I didn't give any 2 marks questions in the CA exams. So 2 marks question will be supplied in the exams. Please attempt those exams, important for semester exam. পুরো whole syllabus এ হবে। We'll give time before that. Our exam তো জানিস তোদের অগাস্টে, from 9th August to 21st August maybe. So there is no time. Read, study.
ম্যাম এমসিকিউ ফরম্যাটে হবে, এটা কি ফুল
হ্যাঁ,
কনফার্ম?
yes, MCQ format.
ওকে ম্যাম।
বায়োলজির জন্য জানি, এবার অন্য সাবজেক্ট বলতে পারবো না। বায়োলজি কনফার্ম MCQ টাইপ, 30 মার্কসের 1 মানে 30 কোয়েশ্চেন 1 মার্কস অ্যান্ড 20 কোয়েশ্চেন্স 2 মার্কস, টোটাল 70। 3 আওয়ার থাকবে, যেরকম থাকে 3 আওয়ারই তো থাকার কথা, 70 মার্কসের। অ্যান্ড ওই যেরকম ভাবে দিয়েছিলি ক্যামেরা অন করে,
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
ওরকম ভাবে। সো লাস্ট এক্সামটা CA4 একটু ভালো করে দে, and we'll take some exam 1 to 2 অন্তত একটা নিতে চাইছি বিফোর সেমিস্টার। একদম ঠিক ওরকম 3 আওয়ার যদি নাও হয়, ভেঙে ভেঙে দুটো 35 করে, স্যারও মেবি নেবেন। সো একটু ভালো করে দে। আর কোনো ডাউট হলে, ইফ এনিওয়ান হ্যাভ এনি ডাউট, টেল মি any doubt, not only in this chapter, in previous chapter, in the classification model, in the microbiology model, or macromolecular protein structure model, any model, anyone have any question? এখন যদি বলতে লজ্জা লাগে, ভয় লাগে যে সবাই দেখে নেবে, আমি জানি না, you can ping me anytime. Everyone knows my number, you can ping me anytime. কিন্তু না বুঝে থাকিস না, কোনো নিয়ে কনফিউশন ডাউট। and I have made PDF of your book, দুটো চ্যাপ্টার সেন্ড করেছি, উইল সেন্ড দ্য রেস্ট অফ দ্য চ্যাপ্টার্স বাই আজকালের মধ্যে দিয়ে দেবো। Okay, so স্টাডি রেস্ট অফ দ্য টাইম আরো 10 মিনিটস আছে, দিচ্ছি বায়োলজি পড় একদম। আর যেটা পড়ালাম রিড দ্যাট। ওকে, নো কোয়েশ্চেন্স তো? ঠিক আছে, বাই ফর টুডে।
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
ওয়েলকাম।